As you guys can guess from the title, today we are going to do a review on Serum Masterclass by Daw Nation and one and only Au5. Short disclaimer before we start this video. I reached out to Wyatt on Daw Nation and asked whether I could do a review on their course. I tried to do honest and transparent review of the course, but just keep that in mind. The videos are really well made, they are great quality, and as you would expect from the paid product, the website runs really well and I had really no problems with any of the infrastructure of the course. The course is mainly divided in basics and advanced techniques, and then there is the bonus section which has live streams, presets. I think there is serum skins that the guys have compiled. The basics will go through each and every single knob and feature of serum, so nothing is left out. On the advanced section, Au5 and Wyatt will go through the Au5 signature sound. They will go through techniques like snare synthesis, hypercrawls, and really dig deep into all the possibilities that you can have with the Serum VST. Overall, the videos are really well made, the website runs really well. One thing I would maybe add to the website is a comment section below the videos, so people could share their sounds and discuss all the techniques. So maybe throw in a SoundCloud link to a growl that I made and people could comment on that and share some tips. As I mentioned, this course covers everything Serum has to offer, and it's really focusing on the sound design and EDM/bass music scene, but the sound design techniques really apply to any sound design project that you have. It's really inspiring to see Au5 go through his mindset of creating sounds and share all of his knowledge. He's really a mastermind of sound design, and the videos are really inspiring because I tend to have pretty experimental sound designs that I'll twist the knobs and hear what sounds great, but this guy really knows what each and every effect does, and of course there's always an experimental part in the sound design. It's really good to know all the features and knobs in the program, so you can kind of guide the process to certain end result that you are looking for. I forgot to talk about this in the video, but the Daw Nation guys promised that there will be updates to the course, and recently there was a Serum update, but did the guys update the course? Yes, they did. So the new update came and the boys uploaded a new video and explained the new features in the update, which is really cool. So the course is being updated. So who do I think benefits of this course? I think there's two main audiences for this course. First is people who are really serious about music production, want to learn sound design, want to learn Serum, which is at the moment I think the most used synth in the EDM scene. So this course really goes through that program. This is not a shortcut, or it kinda is, but you know what I mean. It won't make you a great producer just like that. You have to go through the course. I went through it twice, and I actually promised to do this review much earlier than I did to Wyatt on the Daw Nation, but I went through the course once and it's actually kinda heavy. It requires a lot of focus, and I had the mentality to go through everything once and then go each section and try out the techniques in the DAW at the same time. Be ready to spend some time on this. If you just want to go through the basics and learn the Serum and then maybe now and then try out the techniques, that's totally fine. It will greatly improve your sound design on Serum and knowledge of the program. You could spend countless hours searching YouTube videos on the Serum and all the features and all the knobs, but this will have everything in one package, well explained, really good quality, so you can just get all the information that you need and not all the rambling and unnecessary stuff and scrolling to YouTube. When you're in YouTube, it's really easy to get distracted. Like for me, it's great to have one website where you have the knowledge. You go there, there is no ads, there is no distracting images or anything like that. You just click the video, it has the information, and you're done. It's simple. The price point is great. The course runs for $147. I think it's really good time and money value. You could really spend countless hours on YouTube going through really low quality videos, trying to find the exact information you are looking for. So this will really speed up the learning process. The thing is, if you are a new producer, it's really hard to know what is good information. YouTube is filled with self-claimed experts, so these guys are really well established. Wyatt from Daw Nation has gone through hundreds of interviews with producers. He knows what's legit and what's not. Au5 is a really established name in the community. He has done a lot of teaching work. He knows his stuff. I think he's one of the best in the sound design game for sure. Overall, I really enjoyed the course. I would recommend it to every new producer that is serious about learning the sound design stuff and wants to learn the Serum VST. If you are a more experienced producer, this is really good product for you. The advanced section is really deep and will go through so many dope techniques that you can use to spice up your sound design game. I for sure will go through these techniques for the third time, and probably after that I have to go through them more and more in the future, because there's so much knowledge that you can really grab it all in one go. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is really great opportunity. Thank you for it to Wyatt on the donation guys, Au5. I see you guys on the next video.